Welcome, and today I'm going to show you guys how to apply a lace wig using glue. Glue by who? Chic Bond. That's who Salon Pro 30 Sec. This is the premium kind, okay? It is basically a waterproof adhesive, invisible hold. It's great for oily skin and sensitive skin. This is also made out of vitamin E and aloe vera. We also have the extreme kind made by the same brand. Yay, for maximum hold. Same thing, water resistant, rich in vitamin E and aloe vera. We also have the conditioning remover. This is to gently uplift the wig when you're ready to remove the glue, basically. And also in my package, I found a Chic Bond scarf, which helps to secure the wig. Maximum security. Yes, ma'am. Lay that lace down. Yes. So before gluing anything down, you do want to try your wig on, okay? Do not glue anything down. Just situate the wig onto your head how you see fit. So I decided to go with the premium Chic Bond glue. That is what I'm choosing to use. You want to apply a thin layer of this adhesive glue just a little bit before your hairline, not directly on your hairline, nowhere on your hairline at all. My forehead is pretty big, so I have a lot of playing room, so do not judge. Also, I want you to keep in mind with this bottle, do not squeeze it hard. Squeeze gently, because if you squeeze it too hard, a lot will come out. Squeeze a dot and then spread the rest with the nozzle. Try to refrain from getting the glue on your actual wig. The wig should be sitting far back while you apply the glue to your skin. Usually you would use a blow dryer with any other glue to help dry this fast, but this glue dries fast. It was already getting tacky feeling and sticky. Once you feel the glue getting sticky or tacky, you want to go ahead and apply your wig, starting with the middle section and then the sides. For a little more direction, feel free to use the end of a comb. This is optional. You can go ahead and lay your baby hairs down within that glue. Some wig wearers like to do it, some don't. It just depends on you. And for the cute little scarf to help secure the lace, I highly recommend you to use this. It really secures that glue. You think it's secure before the scarf, but put that scarf on for a long time, and yes, it really makes a difference. This is my hair all styled up, and look at that lace, y'all. It is flawless. A good adhesive is one of the most important things on making your lace front look seamless and flawless. Yes, ma'am. Look at it. Look at it. Yes. I did end up sleeping in my Chic Bond scarf and a bonnet on the back. And you guys, this is day 2 with the premium glue. Did not reapply it, anything. It's still intact, still strong as ever. Actually looks way more seamless on the second day because the scarf stayed on all night. The climate around here is extremely hot. I have been sweating and everything, and this glue has not budged or moved. None of that. That is it for this video, you guys. All information and links will be in the description box if you're interested. See you in the next video. Bye.